I'm an AI engineer for a digital marketing company. Let me tell you what a day in the life looks like for me. Now, of course, every day is different and every job is different. So, this is just one example you can take to imagine what working as an AI engineer could be like. So, I was a data engineer before this and I work on a small team. Therefore, a lot of my work is still data engineering. I'm just being called an AI engineer. But I am doing a lot of AI engineering initiatives within the company. And a lot of this is to do with implementing LLMs into my data pipelines. I use Airflow to move data around. I fetch data from sources like APIs. I transform that data and I sort of merge it, clean it, do all that stuff. And then I push it into our reporting database, which is BigQuery, or other sources like cloud storage and other places where it's needed by consumers. So how does AI come into this? Well, now with LLMs, we're enriching the data. So we can do things like find trends, or we can have like very custom reports that are built on top of the data in like PDF format, and these can get emailed, or they can be created as separate data sources, these kind of like AI-driven data sources, if you will, which are then available for other consumers. For example, front-end application. And I'm building something to do rank tracking for search results like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Google AI Overview. And this sort of system can have AI enrichment built in where we're doing like sentiment analysis. This is stuff I've been doing for many, many years before language models. We were able to do this with like classic machine learning techniques. But now with language models, the stuff we can do is just, crazy with generation and custom generation. And we can take big sets of data and crunch custom analysis on this data and get like very specific reports about very niche data and do this continuously and be updating our data sources and have these available. So if this all sounds a little abstract, that makes sense. It's really hard to fully grasp these types of concepts until you actually build them. And that's why building things and especially getting your hands on real business problems is just so important. And this is the type of experience you should try to get if you're interested in data engineering and AI engineering and software development in general. So if you want to learn more from me, I'll talk to you on School. You join me there. I'll see you.